how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Binance account and this is how it will appear. Now click on this option of your options on Binance, then go to the spot wallet and wait for it to load. After that, over here you can find the option of withdraw. Just simply click on it. And on the next window it will ask you to select the coin, and also the address should be given for that particular coin in order to withdraw it. For this, just simply open up your Coinbase account and log into your Coinbase. After that, select any particular crypto of your choice on Coinbase and select the option of receive on Coinbase. After selecting receive on Coinbase, you will be getting the address for that particular crypto. Just simply copy the address from Coinbase and open up Binance. Now on Binance, select the coin that you want to send. So just suppose I want to send Bitcoin from Binance to Coinbase. So I will just select coin as Bitcoin and address will be given from Coinbase. Just simply paste that particular address, then select the network and make sure that this particular network is similar to the Coinbase, and after that type the amount that you want to withdraw, and after that you will be able to withdraw or transfer the crypto from your Binance account to your Coinbase account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.